So what I've done here, okay, we know how to basically set up a for loop, right? For some variable in range of something, okay? So the question is, why do we have this I here? And that's an interesting question. Well, I'll tell you. It's there for a very important reason. Um, if you want to display a number, like let's say enter the number of hits for player one, or enter the first batting average, or enter in, so if you want to go through the list and tell the user what thing you're on, and it's good practice to do, then you use this I. See here what I did? You actually can't have the I in the input function, but what you can do, you can print above the input function, and you can use the string I, because remember, it's the wrong data type. It's a data type int, right? It's an integer, and we want it to be a string, okay? So when we said over here that the range of 3, remember when we did that? I is going to first equal 0. Okay, it's going to go through this array. I is going to equal 0, and it's going to go through and run. The whole thing is I equals 0. So here, we don't want it to say enter hits for player 0. That's crazy. Nobody has a 0 with player. So we're going to add 1 to that. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus, then when it comes through here and runs it as 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So that's the second player. And then 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So this should give us what we want, right? So what we did, we took the input thing, whatever we had inside that input, we pasted it above it inside of a print statement, okay? We added the string I plus 1, right? So now let's run it and see if it works. Perfect. So let's say we have 3 players on the team. That's 32. So hits for player 1. He got 12. Oh. Sorry. I typed too fast apparently. 3 players on the team. 12. And this one's going to be 50. Okay. So for player 2, we're going to have him do 5 out of 10. And then we'll have this one be 8 out of 20. Okay, so there we have it. We went through it 3 times, right? And each time we asked it for player 1, and then player 2, and then player 3. See that? Awesome. So that is how you use this I in a for loop. And again, it can be any variable you want it to be. It could be pigeons, it could be count, it could be X. But yeah, that's how you use it inside of your input commands.